Well, hello, my algebra students. Now, don't forget that we're always praying for stuff to help us, because there are bad times and sad times, and we need God's help. But don't forget to thank Him. Life is good most of the time. Anyways, yesterday I made a boo-boo. I wrote down signs wrong, and I'm going to correct myself. So this was the last problem on the video. First, we factored this. It's x minus 10, x plus 5, over, this is plus, so the largest factor, which is 5, should be plus. Oh no, I messed up. So then we bring this up. The difference is squares, so I'm going to bring it up and factor at the same time. Then this one would be x minus 10, x plus 3. So what happens is the x minus 10s cancel, the x plus 3s, the x minus 3s, and when everything cancels, the answer is just 1. Excuse me. So, today we're going to start fractions, and we're going to spend several days on that. Plan to have our quiz on Thursday, but we'll see how the week goes. Notice we do not have school on Friday or Monday. So if I have 1/2 plus x over 3. Now, if you remember adding fractions, you got to get common denominators. It's like recutting the pie, so each pie is in the same number of slices and the same size slices. So right now, this is half pies, 1 out of 2 slice pie, and this is out of 3 slice pie. So you got to get it. So what you're finding is, what number does 2 divide into and what number does 3 divide into? Now, it can be the LCD, lowest common denominator, but even if it's common, if you said 12, it would still work. You would just have to reduce it later on. So 6 is the number 2 and 3 goes in, so you rewrite each one with 6 on the bottom. So then you say, okay, what do you multiply 2 by to get 6? And that's 3, so you got to multiply the top by 3. And what do you multiply 3 by to get 6? And we'll do 2. So then you just add. Now the bottoms stay the same. That's the recut pie. Pie. But the tops you just combine. It'd be 2x plus 3. And you can't combine a variable to a number. So let's have x plus 1 over 4 plus x plus 3 over 6. Now, if you're good at numbers, just say, hey, what do you multiply? What number does 4 multiply into or divide into would be a better way to say it, and 6 divide into that both of them go into. Whew. Now, what you could do is factor both of them. Then it's the most that each occurs. So here I have 1 2, I have 2 2s, so I need 2 2s. Ooh, ballet. Here I have no 3, I need 1 3, so I need 1 3. So 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. So then you say, okay, what do you multiply the bottom by to get the 12? What do you multiply 4 by to get 12? That's 3, so I multiply to the top. Because the only way you can multiply to the bottom is if you also multiply to the top. And what do you multiply the bottom by to get the top? And that's 2. So that's 5x plus 9 over 12. So x plus 4 over 5 minus x minus 3 over 10. So again, you could say, what number does 5 divide into? What number does 10 divide into? Or you could say 10 is 2 times 5. So, okay. So I have 1, 5, I have 1, 5, so I need 1, 5. And I have 1, 2, and no 2, so I need 1, 2. So my denominator, or LCD, should be 10. So 5 times 2 is 10, so I distribute the 2. And 1 times 10 is 10, so I distribute the 1. So 2x minus 1x is x. 8 minus a minus 3 would be 8 plus 3, so the minus goes into both terms. 8 plus 3 is 11. Now today I thought it would be a short lesson. We're going to keep doing this tomorrow. Short because I want you to practice. So see if you can figure out those problems and these problems. Now if you get stuck, don't panic. It's okay. Don't send these problems in. They're not assigned for credit. Just see if you can figure them out, and then we'll go over them tomorrow and continue on with fractions. Tomorrow we'll do a little bit, what if a variable's on the bottom? Oh my goodness! And notice we only have 2 more days this week. Oh, it's going by so fast. So those problems, and then I'll have a video on that tomorrow. And again, if you get stuck on this, because I did do it fast, but I want to give you time to work on this, that's okay. Just do the best you can. Hang in there.